Welcome back, my dear students. In our previous video, we have looked at what is moment of force and the definition of moment of force and units, and also the formula for moment of force. Here in this video, we are going to solve few problems through which you will come to know how to find out moment of force when the question is given. So, let us go with an example. You will understand it in a more better way. So, let us go with an example. Let us choose a color. And here in the question, oh, color is not chosen. Here in the question, it is clearly mentioned that a rod is there on which a certain amount of force is being acted, and that force, it is nothing but it is that certain amount of force is acting here, and the magnitude of the force is 50 newtons. With the force of 50 newtons on this rod, a force is acted. So, and the length of the rod came to be 6 meters. 6 meters. And both the ends of the rod are named with point A and point B. And the left side end of the rod is named as point A, and the right side end is named point B. So he is asking us to find out the moments at point A at the center, moments at point B. Here another more distance is given here, the distance between point A to the point where the force is acted. Okay, it is 5 meters, and the rest is 1 meter. Of course, you all know it, 1 meter. So what he is asking in the question is, he is asking us to find the moments at point A and moments at point B. So let us try to find out the moments. First of all, let us write the formula for moment. Moment equals to force multiplied by distance between the line of action of force and the point where the moment is required. So perpendicular distance, it is perpendicular distance between the point where the moment is required and the line of action of force. Perpendicular distance. Okay, so we are trying to find out the moment about point A here for the first time. So moment about point A equals to, what is the force here? 50. So 50 multiplied by the distance where the moment is required is point A. The point is point A to the distance where the distance of line of action of force. Here the line of action of force come to be, here is the force. So if we extend the force line, this will be the line of action of force. So what is the distance between this line of action of force and point where the moment is required? That is 5 meters. So 50 multiplied with 5, and answer comes out to be 50 into 5, it is nothing but 250. And writing 250 simply is not enough in when we are writing certain quantity. We have to mention the units so that we will come to know what kind of quantity it is. So 250, okay, fine. Here let us find out the units. So force, it is nothing but it is calculated in newtons, and distance, whatever distance it is, either let it be perpendicular distance, let it be parallel distance, it is a distance which can be measured in meters. In SI units we will measure the distance in meters. So we should write the answer as moment at point A is equals to 250 Newton meter. This is the answer for the first point. So we also have to find out the moment about point B. So here we can write moment about point B. Let us choose another color, it can be more better. So moment about point B, that equals to, force here is common for both the cases, that is nothing but 50 multiplied with, and what is the distance between point B and line of action of force? That is 1 meter. So 1. So MB equals to 50 into 1, it is nothing but 50. I already told you earlier, that is 50, writing 50 is not enough. We also have to mention the units so that we will get marks, or else we are going to lose the marks in examination. So MB equals to 50 Newton meter. So these are the final answers that he has asked us to find out. So hope this video has helped you in understanding the very basic topic, and we also I also try to discuss another topic which will give you a clear idea about uh, different methods of solving the problems. Let us go with all the other cases also first of all. Oh. Okay, fine. Let us discuss. Here we will try to solve another problem. It will be more easier for you to understand. So let us choose a color. So here, oh, an object is there which is having a certain height of 7 meters, and a force is acted on the body at a particular point with 50 newtons. Let us take an example, and the one of the ends name is point A. Okay, A. And he is asking us to find out the moment about point A when the force of 50 newtons is acted on a body at a distance. So the distance here, it is 2 meters. The total distance is 7 meters. So here the distance is 2 meters. He is asking us to find out the moment about point A with the force of 50 newtons. So what we have to do? We have to calculate the moment, right? So for that, what we have to do? Okay, moment about point A equals to force here is 50 newtons into to which distance we have to multiply this 50 with, so that we will get the amount of moment which is the point A is subjected to. Is it 2 meters or 7 meters? Which distance I have to write here? Exactly. So in the formula, in the definition we have studied earlier, the definition is telling us the distance, the moment is the product of the force. Here force is written, force, and the distance between the line of action of force and the point where the moment is required. This is the point where the moment is required. Okay, fine. And what is the to where we have to go for the distance? We have to go till the line of action of force. The line of action of force is nothing but the extension of the force line. So what is the distance? What would be the distance between line of action of force and point A? This could be 7 minus 2. It will be 5. Right? It is 5 meters. So it is clear that we can write it 5 here. So MA equals to 50 into 5, it is nothing but again 250, and units are Newton meter. And this is the another way we will understand the distance is taken accurately. Accurately in the sense the distance must be the perpendicular distance from the line of action of force to the point where the moment is required. Hope this video has helped you understanding in both the cases. Thank you so much. Bye.